Good morning to all. We are going to continuation of the B black elements. Now we are going to the topic phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphorus with chlorine, 5 chlorine. That is called phosphorus pentachloride. In this reaction, phosphorus trichloride PCl3 treated with chlorine Cl2 to give PCl5, that is called phosphorus pentachloride. It may be asked in 2 more question, how will you prepare phosphorus pentachloride? You have to write PCl3 treated with chlorine to give the phosphorus pentachloride. Now we are going to know about the reaction of phosphorus pentachloride. First reaction, on heating of phosphorus pentachloride to decomposition takes place to give phosphorus trichloride and excess of chlorine takes place. Next question, next topic, uses of phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphorus pentachloride is used as a chlorinating agent. குளோரினை புகுத்தக்கூடிய ஒரு காரணியாக செயல்படுகிறது. The structure of oxides, next topic, the structure of oxide and oxoacids of phosphorus. Particularly we are going to know about B2O5. Its structure are given. In this structure, phosphorus are corner of tetrahedral position and oxygen along the edge of the structure. Next we are going to discuss about and know about the group 16, oxygen, very important element. The element belongs to 16th groups are called chalcogen or ore forming element. Most of the ore are obtained in the form of oxide. Most of the ore are obtained in the form of oxide and sulfide. The first element of the group is oxygen. Now we are going to know about the preparation method. The atmosphere and water contain 23% of oxygen and 83% by the mass of oxygen. The world rock contain combined oxygen. The oxygen, industrial oxygen obtained by fractional distillation of liquid air. Industrially, oxygen are prepared from liquid air by fractional distillation method. Second method, in a laboratory method, in a laboratory method, the oxygen is prepared by decomposition of hydrogen peroxide H2O2, presence of the catalyst potassium permanganate. It gives the oxygen. Its equations are given below. 2H2O2, hydrogen peroxide gives H2O and water. This method are named as the laboratory preparation of oxygen. And another method, thermal decomposition of metallic oxide. Another method is the metallic oxide method. In this method, the mercury oxide is undergoing the heating to give metal alone and oxygen. Properties. The properties of oxygen, it is a paramagnetic like nitrogen and fluorine. Oxygen having the allotrophic forms. Already I told what is the allotropes. So oxygen has the allotrophic forms. It has 2 allotrophic forms like dioxygen. It is simple like O2. Dioxygen is simple as a O2 molecule. And ozone or dry oxygen, it is simple like O3 molecule, O3. And next we are going to know about ozonized oxygen. It is a very important title. The question may be frequently asked this topic. ozonized oxygen. Ozonized oxygen means oxygen is converted into ozone. Oxygen O2 is converted into ozone O3 to give a mixer is to give the mixer is known as ozonized oxygen. Again, I'm telling what is called ozonized oxygen. The oxygen is converted into ozone. It gives a mixer is known as ozonized oxygen. The pure ozone is obtained by pale blue gas by the fractional distillation of liquefied ozonized oxygen. The equation is given flow O2 reversible equation equilibrium to give two oxygen or the atomic oxygen. Ozone is the bent safe and the symmetrical with delocalization of electron from one oxygen to another oxygen. Properties we are going to discuss about now. The properties. Oxygen and ozone are vastly different. I remind you, oxygen and ozone are vastly different. Oxygen combines with metal and non-metal to form metal oxide. Oxygen combines with metal and non-metal to form a metal oxide. The ozone is used as a powerful oxidizing agent. These are the different main vast difference between the oxygen and ozone. The question may be asked, write the difference between the oxygen and ozone. You have to write this topic. And the uses of oxygen. We are going to know about uses of oxygen. Oxygen, you know very well about oxygen. Oxygen, the uses of oxygen. First point, it is essential for survival of living organism. Oxygen is very, very essential for survival of living organism. First one. Second one, oxygens are used in welding process. The oxyacetylene used as a welding process. Third one, the oxygen is used as a fuel. The fuel, it means a liquid oxygen used as a fuel in rocket fuel and etc. These are the question may be asked. The uses of oxygen is frequently asked. Next one, chalcogen. It belongs to 16th group. Its configuration NS, general configuration NS2 and Np power 4. Its last electron entered into P subcell. It belongs to B block elements. It may be asked in 3 mark question and also book back question. Defines all question. You have to write that it is belongs to 16th group. Last electron entered into the B or subcell. It belongs to B block elements. Next topic we are going to know about oxidation state of fluorine. Oxidation state of fluorine. The fluorine, its electronic configuration should be written 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, 2px2 and 2py2 and 2pz1. The fluorine to attain the stable configuration. Fluorine to attain the stable configuration, it gain one electron. So it indicates the -1 oxidation state. Very important point. The fluorine to get the stable configuration, it gains one electron. So it indicates -1 oxidation state. Next topic we are going to know about interhalogens compound. Interhalogens compound means each halogens atom or elements combine with other halogens to form several compounds. These are called interhalogen compounds. Interhalogen compounds means each halogen atom combine with another halogen atom to form the several compounds. These are called interhalogen compound. Example is given: Cl bond fluorine and bromine bond fluorine, chlorine bond fluorine, iodine bond fluorine. These are the example of interhalogen compound. Next one, the reactivity of fluorine. It is most reactive element among the halogens. It is a most reactive element among the halogens, chlorine, iodine, bromine. Second, because of the minimum value of energy needs to dissociation of fluorine bond fluorine. So it is the reactivity is high. Next one, we are going to know about the hybridization of IF7. IF7 in the iodine and fluorine are hybridized sp3 and T3. It is a pentagonal bipyramidal structure. The structures are given. Reaction of chlorine with cold NaOH and hot NaOH. The NaOH, the chlorine react with cold NaOH to give chloride and hypochlorite. Again I am telling, the chlorine react with cold NaOH to give chloride and hypochlorite. Its equations are given. The Cl2 react with 2 NaOH to give NaOCl and NaCl and H2O. The NaOCl is called hypochlorite, and the chlorine react with hot NaOH to give chlorides and chlorates. Its equation is given. The chlorine react with base to give sodium chloroxide and chloride, sodium chloride. Next topic one, preparation of chlorine in laboratory. It is an important topic. Question frequently asked in that, from this topic, preparation of chlorine laboratory. First point, the action of sulfuric acid on chloride, presence of magnesium dioxide and the oxidizing hydrochloric acid using the various oxidizing agent. Third step, the bleaching powder is treated with mineral acid. The chlorine is obtained. The equation, the calcium oxychloride react with sulfuric acid. Calcium oxychloride react with sulfuric acid to give calcium sulfate and water and chlorine. These are preparation of chlorine from lab. Thank you for watching.